swear I'm so proud. Give a pat on the back, I don't need that. And with the chit chat in my head, it's got me snapping like a Kit Kat. Feel like I'm chained up, feel like I'm locked down. A prisoner with no escape, I'm in a ghost town. Leave me alone now, feel like I'm meltdown. But I hide it with a smile when it's around me.
What is going on YouTube? So we are back in the CB7. James hooked it up to the computer and found that the temp gauge is in fact really off, and so it has not been overheating at all, so that's a plus. And he also vacuum bled it, so now my thermostat is open and fine. Still got the AutoZone one in it or whatever I had bought the first time, and yeah, it's opening up fine, guys. So yeah, CB7 is pretty much good. Just gotta try to find me I guess I'm gonna try another cluster, but before I pull this one out, I did want to try the actual sending unit. But I want to say I put a PG or a 98 to 01, 02 Accord temperature sensor in here, and I think maybe that could be what's messing up. I don't know, maybe if the ohms or whatever like controls the gauge is different from that generation to the generation that I'm in now, and maybe that's throwing it off. So I do want to try a different temp gauge, well, sensor first, like the sending unit. I do want to try that first before I take this cluster all the way back out. So, but yeah, this bad boy is doing great now, man. So glad to have it back, I swear. So glad. Been doing a few pulls. Let's do some more, hold on. Third gear. Car feels really like, I've had people ask me like to do pool videos and stuff, and they want to see like how fast the gauge goes up or whatever, but it's not with this engine, man. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's faster than a stock one, but with this engine, man, it's a big difference in the power band. Like, you get all your power down low. Like, I've never felt anything like this. Like, I think I said in a couple videos ago about this car, but it almost feels like I'm driving the HB, but it's the Accord. And by that, I don't mean it's as fast as the HB, but I mean like, it's just there. When you hit the gas, it's just instant power. So, and it's just smooth. Like, look, I'm gonna just go a little bit on the throttle, like, it's just crazy how it picks up great. Like, that's half throttle. Half throttle now. Like, literally half throttle. Like, it's such a smooth power band. And then in the CB7 chassis, man, it's just like, this is like one of the best riding Accords you can buy. So if you want something that rides like a Lincoln Continental, buy you one of these babies, because I'm telling you, like, everywhere I go, I almost always end up running like 70, because I can't, you know, like, if I don't pay attention to the speedometer, I'll speed right up, because it's just so easy in this car. And then with this engine, man, like, we're in fifth, we're cruising, you know, and like, if I need to speed up or anything, I can just ease on down, like, just part half throttle. Look at it, it just picks right on, it's nice and easy. And you gotta remember, this is not a Prelude transmission. This is nothing fancy. This is a regular long geared Accord transmission. So that's amazing to have that kind of pickup and that kind of power band from a long geared transmission. Like, let me slow back. I'm gonna slow back to 60. Yeah, so we're running about 60, and we're just over 2,000 RPM. Like, this is just crazy, man. Great on gas, just an awesome engine. And I know a lot of people be asking me like what should they put in their car? What engine? Well, one thing I will tell you guys, if you want a fun, really cheap JDM engine, then by all means grab yourself a F23A. I'm telling you, it's a great engine. If you tune it, man, you make great power, great torque, like really good torque, and smooth. Like, it's just so smooth, and it sounds a lot less ricey than the H motors. Like, I don't have any cats on this car, just straight pipe all the way to the back, and it's just got a fart can on the back, but it does not sound like the typical Honda fart. Like, it's got like a nice deep tone to it. Like, it's great, man. I love it. So if anybody's wondering, should they grab one of these F23As, definitely, man. I don't know exactly, you know, a lot of y'all might be watching from different parts of, you know, the US or even other countries. I don't know what they go for in y'all's areas, but around me you can get them for about 400 bucks. And yeah, for that kind of price tag, man, you just can't find anything that's this strong and this damn, it's just amazing. And I really think I'm gonna try to put one of these in Nisha Civic and see what it does, like, you know, with a B series transmission. I think that would be really freaking awesome. So back home now, she's purring. show y'all the fans are kicking on. Everything's great now. So right now they're off. Lower rad hose is warm like it should be. And we'll just give it a minute, it'll kick right on. Can't wait to put my coilovers and stuff on. There you have it. Y'all probably can't hear them. But you see that, all that moving, the air is blowing. That's a lot of air coming out of that thing. And they'll run for a little while. Gauge is, see it goes up, see it's up past where it should be, even though the car is fine. Fans are working. And they just cut off. You can see there's no air blowing this anymore. Everything's off now. The car is still running great. Check the temperature one more time. See, it looks okay right now, but sometimes that thing will go up and down, just sporadic. But yeah, car's running great, man. So happy to have this thing back. We got so much work to do to this thing before the summer really comes in, and just a lot to do, man. Hashtag DL Squad, hashtag shifting on. You know, everything's good to go. So shut this baby off. Beautiful. Big shout out to Jordan Distributors for the push start. Lock her up. And that's it. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video, man, and let y'all know, the ones that were wondering about the CB, that it's back and everything checks out, everything's good, coolant's good. I got to return the water pump and thermostat that I bought from Honda, so it's like $160 back in my pocket. And yeah, I mean, everything's great. So as soon as we can finish with Nisha's trap, we'll probably be about time for H-Day then, and then after H-Day, I'm gonna try to jump on this. We got a sponsor on board now, so we're gonna do some stuff to it. I already got the paint, so all I gotta do is get the sand in this, and you know, just keep making videos, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and as always, make sure you share this stuff, and remember, respect all bills. Peace out.